All right, guys, so this is part 2 of the Bald Eagle build. This is an 04 CRF that we're converting into a big wheel. We're gonna get into getting this whole chassis put together, so let's get into it. Welcome to the channel. What are you doing over here?
Just doing Timmy's job again in between welding swing arms.
There you go.
Yeah.
Just fit it in there, right?
Yeah.
Like what, a 5 minute?
5 minute job.
5 minute job.
Just take half a day, 5 minutes now.
Coming together. Swing arms on, jack shafts in, sprocket alignment looks mint. Linkage was actually already in good shape, just re-greased it. Got the triples installed. This Blake had a steering stabilizer, so we're excited to try that out. Got the chain on in the front, got it adjusted. This Blake did have a steering stabilizer, still in pretty good shape, so we're just gonna roll with it, try running it. It's a little GPR. Anodizing's a little bit faded off, but really doesn't look too bad. We're also doing a fresh top end, so the piston's already installed. The cylinder was super clean. I mean, this thing is a 2004, but I was pretty impressed with how clean this thing was. So new cam chain, we're gonna take the valves out, inspect everything, do new valve seals, and make sure that's all good to go too. This Blake had absolutely no packing in it, which was kind of funny. So we're getting that redone. We're just gonna clean this can out, give it a nice Scotch-Brite finish, keep it bare aluminum. With that fatter tire, you're gonna notice that they're run real close to the cans anyway, so I don't wanna get that scratched. We did pull the tag off because it was faded, so I'm just gonna pop some rivets back in there and repack this and basically just put it back together. The shock, the bottom out bumper, it's a little bit brittle looking. Not real impressed with that, so I'm gonna pull the shock completely apart, rebuild it, new seal head, new bushings, new bump stop, and new bladder. So that'll be all completely rebuilt too. Also gonna do the forks. Here's a look at the old piston. Cylinder actually had perfect cross hatching. You can see the coating is worn off, but intake was fairly clean. Air filter was nice and oiled. End of the crank looked mint. See the wrist pin doesn't have any weird scoring on it. Everything was super clean on this bike. So got the head right here. Pretty normal for a 2004. Valves were in spec, so again, I'm gonna pop them out though and just double check everything. When you guys are out there looking for one of these bikes to build, again, this is an 04. Good indicator of how much use is on the bike. Just check the wearing on the fork. I've seen these things where they're honestly worn all the way through and the fork's actually all gouged up. This thing's in great shape. You can see a little bit of wear right there, not too bad. So low use for an 04 for sure. These had a little bit of a seep, so I'm tearing these apart and we're gonna get these rebuilt too. There's a shot of the shock spring. So we took this off, sandblasted it, powder coated it gloss white. The whole theme on this bike's gonna be red, white, and blue. We picked up a blue seat cover, little gripper style. Okay guys, one fork is apart. You see how clean this actually is. Really cleaned up nice. There's no nicks on the chrome at all. You always got to check your bushings. So the outside of this actually has almost no wear on it. You can see the inside wearing on that is still good. Obviously you got just your clip and your washer that goes against the seal. That was the dust seal. Oil seal did have a little bit of dirt under it, but sometimes that happens when you wash your bike and you pressure wash the dirt up into it. Other than that though, this thing's in great shape. Just want to make a note, if you guys are going to be doing fork seals, definitely try to use OEM if you can. I feel these last longer. I've had great luck with them. Can't complain for sure. I've had unfortunate luck with some aftermarket brands. They just seem to vary in how long they will last. But if you do it right and use the OEM stuff, I've never had any issues with them. There it is, all rebuilt. Powder coat looks killer on there with the new pump stop. So gonna get this thing installed on the bike now. Here's the current choice of tires for the Bald Eagle project. So this is made by Sun F. It's kind of similar to a Bighorn style. It still has a rounded profile. It's a little different than the one we've been running. We've been actually having a hard time getting this tire right here. These are readily available. And I honestly think they're going to be a better tread pattern for ripping in the rocks and any kind of rough terrain. So we're going to put these on this bike and give them a whirl. Of course, we're still running the Kaiser wheels. So this is a 3-piece design with a billet center. You're not going to find a stronger wheel setup. You're gonna have that on those medium jobs.
You'll have that. But you weld and then try to put tires on. Doing Timmy's job again.
Everyone asks me why I moved to Tucson. It's this guy right here. He's got a Tucson tattoo, and I saw it back when he was in New York helping us, and I decided to move here.
So is that why you came?
That's why I came.
Oh, my word.
We could hang out, you know. Drop her down. Oh yeah, go ahead and put it back up. We gotta get a video. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, it's
It's going
going up.
up now?
I already said it's going up.
Okay, it's going up now. Okay, there we go. Slow-mo. A little slow-mo. Cool, that's it. Looking sharp. What are you looking for? Caliper?
Yeah.
Do you know what it looks like?
Or the front one. Where's the rear one?
Oh man, yeah, I'm liking this tire. Thing looks killer.
Oh, it's right there.
Okay, Drew, what do you think?
I love it. It looks awesome.
I really like tires too.
Yeah.
Fucking man.
Get these B-plastic.
How'd you end up doing it?
Oh, you.
Oh, I gotcha. Yep.
Fuck that up. Alright, well this is the end of part 2 video. I hope you guys enjoyed the build, and we're gonna get back to it tomorrow. Is that good?
It's good enough. And just want to tell you guys again, this could possibly be a giveaway bike. So at 50,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway of a full tread kit, a big wheel kit, and possibly a CRF450R install kit. So this thing is not going to be given away at 50,000. If we get to 100, this could possibly be given away. So subscribe to this channel if you guys like seeing cool builds. Thanks for the support. Boom.
Okay guys, this is the end of part 2 on the, how do you call it, the Bald Eagle?
The Bald Eagle.
The Bald Eagle big wheel. Stay tuned for part 3. The guys are going to be finishing this up tomorrow. We now have all of the big wheel kits in different years up on the website. Check out bbcbigwheels.com or give me a call at 520-372-7560.
Perfect.
Yep.
There, everybody's on camera now.
Woohoo.